Welcome back to the third part, my dear children. Now, my dear children, I hope you have already completed all the activities which I have asked you all to do in the second part of the video. Let us begin with the interesting sums about the age difference between Elephant Appu, Choo Choo Rat, and Rani's grandfather. Now, Elephant Appu's grandfather is 95 years of age, whereas Choo Choo Rat's grandfather is 2 years of age. Rani's grandfather is 70 years of age. So, my dear children, how much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So, let us start solving. The age of Appu's grandfather is 95 years. It is given over here. ठीक है? What is the age of Rani's grandfather? Absolutely correct. It is 70 years. So now 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the difference between their age is 25 years. Will Choo Choo's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? This seems quite impossible. Now, you may ask why? That is because, my dear, every animal, each and every animal has a different lifespan. Whereas the lifespan of a rat is approximately 1 to 2 years only. They don't last or they don't live more than 2 years or of age. Whereas here, Elephant Appu's grandfather is 95 years of age. So this is quite impossible thing to happen. How much younger is Choo Choo Rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Can you do this orally? Rani's grandfather is 70 years old, whereas Choo Choo Rat's grandfather is 2 years of age. So how much is 70 minus 2? Yes, by the time I doodle over here, I want you to tell me the answer orally. Absolutely correct. 70 minus 2 is 68. So 68 years old is the age difference. Now I want you to do something orally as well. I want you to find out the age difference. Okay? I want you to take your mama's age and your age. Find the difference. I want you to take your papa's age, your age, and find the difference. Over here, you will understand how many years younger you are from your parents and how many years older are your parents from you. You can try the same with your siblings as well. Let me know on WhatsApp how does it go with you. Now holidays are fun. It's been recent you had your May vacation holidays and also your workshop. Arthur's holidays had begun. He was extremely excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So he wrote her a letter. Now see how the format of letter has been changed so everything goes to the left. He wrote the letter on 1st May 2006. Dear Shabana Appa. Appa means Didi. Hello, how are you? I'm fine here. Appa, my holidays have started from today. From today means 1st of May. I'm going to my nanny's place on 5th May 2006. Means 5/5/2006. This first 5 is the date, the second 5 is the month, and the third 2 digit is the year. Okay, that is the year 2006. I will be back on 20th of May 2006. My school will reopen on 30th of June 2006. अब जब बोल रहे हैं स्कूल विल रीओपन ऑन 30 मतलब 30 को स्कूल स्टार्ट होगा और उसके एक दिन पहले 29th of June तक उसका लास्ट डे ऑफ छुट्टी रहेगा. किसका? आतिफ का. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now, Atif. Even in the new format, Atif will come into the left. Shabana, who stays in Nagpur, got this letter on 6th of May. अब दीदी को लेटर मिला 6th May को. So she wrote back to Ataf. Dear Ataf, hello. I'm doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. ठीक है. लेटर yesterday 6th को लेटर उसको मिला and on 7th she is writing it back. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st of June. यानी 1st June से her holidays will begin. It will reopen on 10th of August. So my dear children, pay attention. 10th of August will be Shabana's first day of school. So उसका last holiday vacation का कौन सा दिन रहेगा? Exactly 10 minus 1, that is 9th of August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return on 7th of June. Means on 7th she will be back. I will try to come to Ajmer after that by Shabana. Now my dear children, you will tell me आपके स्कूल रीओपन हुए 7th of June को. So आपका लास्ट डे ऑफ हॉलीडेज कब था? Exactly, आपका लास्ट डे ऑफ हॉलीडे था 6th of June 2021. So Ataf wrote his letter on 1st of May. You remember how we write a date in numbers. Now see, there are several different formats, my dear children. A lot of countries use different format. We also use some special formats as well. So 5 March तो मतलब पहले date, फिर month, फिर year. फिर date, month in 2, 03, 09. Why 09? Because 3 is single digit number. And year pura means all the 4. 2005, 1995 and so on. अब यहाँ पे है डेट भी 2 डिजिट्स में, मंथ भी 2 डिजिट्स में और ईयर भी 2 डिजिट्स में. सो आपको जैसे फॉर्मेट दिया रहेगा उस हिसाब से आपको लिखना है. Over here, if we are talking about, now write which dates these stand for. So these are 5/5/2006. It is given in your textbook. The first 5 stands for the date. The second 5 corresponds to the month. So how month starts from January? January corresponds to the first month. February corresponds to the second month. March corresponds to the third month. April corresponds to the fourth month. And May corresponds to the fifth month. So fifth month के लिए आ गया आपके पास May, and then here 2006. Same you are going to follow. 20 you will write as date, 5 you will be writing as May, and 2006 you will be writing down the entire year. 7 you will be writing as the date. 6 you will be writing down June. See, after May, 6th month is June, and 06 you will be completing it. So similarly you have to complete this and then write these dates in numbers. So June will be 06, May will be 05. What about August? Start counting from May. May is 5, June is 6, July is 7 and August is 8. Now see, here in this next slide, I have just added, the way we say. We don't say 5 May, we say 5th of May. ठीक है, we say 20th May, we say 7th June, we say 1st Jan. So when we speak, okay, we don't say 1 June. In the calendar, we don't say 30 May, we say 30th May. We said 10th of August. So this is just for your knowledge. And also ऐसे बहुत सारे patterns हैं जो आप आगे सीखोगे in your letter writing and also in logical reasoning on how dates are to be written. ठीक है, there are times when date will be written as May 7th, 2021. So all these things you will be learning. Now this is just for your knowledge purpose. जैसा फॉर्मेट आपको दिया है उस फॉर्मेट में आपको लिखना है. So here this format was given. So in this way you are supposed to write it down. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? So देखो, अजमेर में Ataf has written on 1st, whereas on 6th she has received the letter. So 6 minus 1 you can do. So you will get the answer. 5 days it took to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur. Or if you want to count, you can count it as well. How many days will Ataf spend at his Nani's place? So let us go back and see. Nani's place, he is going on 5th of May. But वो आ जाएगा कभी? वो आ जाएगा 20th को. So इसके 2-3 तरीके हैं ढूंढने के. या तो आप डायरेक्ट काउंट करो, आप 5th काउंट करोगे, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. So see, here if we count we get 15 days, or either you can do 20 minus 5. So you will get the answer as 15 days. So here you have understood that here he has spent 15 days. Now here the date has been given to you 2, but I have made one twist over here. So you can easily count the number of dates, because a lot of students might make some mistakes over here. You are supposed to write down the dates over here. I have made a twist, okay? So unless and until you don't watch the video or attend the live class, you won't understand why it has happened. So Shabana's holidays, it starts from 1st June, ये हमने letter से derive किया है, और reopen हो रहा है 10th June. So like I just told few minutes back, so how do you think reopen 10th को हो रहा है तो उसका last holiday कभी तक रहेगा? Yes, 9th of August 2006. Same for this boy. आतिफ का holiday 1st May से start हो रहा है, but reopen 30 June को हो रहा है. So hold on, sorry. Yes. So last holiday उसका कब तक है? उसका last holiday है 29th June तक. So dear children, let us start counting the days. So सबसे पहले जून के तो हम सारे मंथ लेंगे. If you are taking Shabana's holidays, so जून का पूरा मंथ हो गया 30. Now जुलाई में कितने डेज होते हैं? वेरी गुड, 31. अगस्त का पूरा मंथ काउंट करेंगे क्या? जी नहीं, बिकॉज 10th को स्कूल स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो यहाँ आएगा 9 डेज, या तो आप 10 माइनस 1 करेंगे तो भी आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. अब ये ऐड करेंगे, सो आपको मिलेगा शबाना के कितने हॉलीडेज की उसको वेकेशन है. सो आई गिव यू वन शॉर्टकट. ये 31 plus 9 करो. 31 plus 9 is how much? 31 plus 9 is 40. What is 40 plus 30? 40 plus 30 is 70. If you remember, I have taught this method to you in the month of April. This is why I had taken so many worksheets and activities, so that while teaching, these calculation tricks should be cleared with you all. Now if we're talking about Atif's holidays, so 1st May, ठीक है, from 1st May यानी 1st May छुट्टी start हो गया. So 31 days of May, okay, plus May के बाद क्या आता है? जून. जून का 30 days तो नहीं होगा, because reopen हो रहा है स्कूल. So -1 करेंगे. 29 days का छुट्टी मिला है जून में. So if you add this, so 9 plus 1 10, 1 will go for carry, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So as a result, my dear children, Atif को 60 days का holiday मिला है. So who has got longer holidays, 70 days or 60 days? So yes, Shabana has got longer holidays, and by how many days? By 10 days she has got longer holidays. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ पे डेज बताए हैं, कौन से डेट्स तक उनकी छुट्टी है, वो डेट्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. बट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे आपके लॉन्ग हॉलीडेज, आपको स्कूल में कितना छुट्टी मिलता है वो आपको लिखना है. सो आप क्या करेंगे, सिलेबस का डिजिटल कॉपी व्हाट्सएप किया हुआ है. Find out summer holidays, find out winter holidays, and find out the holidays after the exam. So you can take May vacation over here. Okay. So this remaining part we will start in the 4th part of the video. So meanwhile, take care, stay home and stay safe.